Welcome to video by Djsprc. We have the Pro Boat Heatwave Blackjack 24-inch is made and run. We did a little bit of testing before putting on the water, and I do apologize, guys, for the sound not being that great. Unfortunately, forgot the mics at home. I'm using the internal mic, but it is what it is. I'm with my YouTube partner here, JF. Let's see what this boat does in the water. Seems to handle pretty much great, catamaran, and it has some speed in it. And like you said, it's not full throttle yet, but don't flip it. We don't have a way to recover it. You'll see in, I'm not sure if this video will come first or after. We got an incident with another boat that we have here. And we made a rig to recover our boats. And realized today that the non-testing of the rig before using it was not a great idea, believe me. But we'll go back to the drawing board and make that happen. Oof, nice. For a 24-inch, seriously, it's, damn, I like it. Now we are on a river here in Gatineau. In Canada side, it's a nice day. There is a current, unfortunately. The incident we had earlier, direction that he's going with the boat right now, right over there, both boats ended up on the side of the shore. Super thankful for that. If not, we're probably would have lost 2 boats today. And that's something that's not fun. They're not cheap. They're not cheap. But this one is seriously, the water is not that calm and it's stable. Yeah. We need to find a kind of a pond or something that's wide and long enough. If something happens, we're able to retrieve our boats. Oh yeah, or basically bring one of the 1-to-1 boats out. I'm kind of jealous of some of the YouTubers out there. They kind of have access to a pond, and like in their backyard. I would love to have access here. There's probably some that I'm not aware of, but it's to get permission to be able to use boats there. Because I know one of the flying clubs around here in Ottawa, they had a flying field and they had a pond. And we were allowed to go with the boats there. But unfortunately, the flying club got closed and no more access to the pond. Yep, this is the Blackjack 24 Heatwave, 24-inch. If you guys have any question or comment, post down below. I'll be glad to answer you guys. And don't forget to hit that like button. It does help the channel, and subscribe. It's still free to subscribe. And I do appreciate it. Thank you for watching.